Hello, my name is Damon. I'm going to do a Amazon product review of the Leatherman Wingman, and I just got, this is my prime packaging, we're going to actually unbox the Gerber multi-tool, the suspension multi-tool. The suspension multi-tool. So here it is in the box, the gear. So this has 2,500 reviews, and the Leatherman also has 2,500 reviews, but the Leatherman Wingman is like 60 something dollars, and the Gerber is like 30 something dollars. So I figured, why not? I had actually misplaced my Wingman Leatherman in because I do landscape. I left it in a planter at a client's place for a few weeks, and thought I had lost it, and actually knew that as soon as I got a new one that I would find it. So that's exactly what I did, but I'm happy to have it returned to me. But actually there was a couple things about the Leatherman Wingman I wasn't too fond of. That the metal is sort of cheap and chintzy. So after being left in a planter box for a couple of weeks and probably some rain, it got a little bit of rust on it. Other tools, but the screwdriver bits wear out. It's actually on both, it's on that side and that side. The screwdriver bits wear out, and then it gets a little bit loose. Particularly the blade, which is not something you want to have come loose. Let's see, I'll put everything else away before I bring out the blade. So it folds up pretty easy, and the blade comes out fairly easy, but it also wiggles. And you don't really want to be having a wiggly blade when you're trying to cut things. As it is very sharp, and it has like the serrated bit, so it'll really get things, but yeah, it's wiggly, and unless you have that star bit, you have to get a special star bit to be able to tighten that, which I happen to have, but if you don't, it's kind of like not very convenient. On to the Gerber at half the price. I don't know, it has instructions in multiple languages. It's made by Fiskars. They're typically pretty good stuff. And so here we go. It comes in a pouch, like a belt clippy pouchy deal. It's kind of like a nylon material. This is wrapped in plastic, and wow, it's very beefy. The Wingman is much more compact, although they're about the same length-ish. Gerber's maybe a little longer. But certainly that beef there, and so I don't know actually if the Gerber has maybe more tools in it. Let's find out. Ooh, that's kind of nice. I like the locking, and a little bit more ergonomic. It's a full grip, where the Leatherman is maybe pocket size, but there's no ergonomicity, if that's a word, to this at all. That's like not actually very comfortable at twice the price. So I don't know. A couple of downsides: the metal of the screwdriver bits, a little bit of rust. I guess I haven't tried leaving this outside yet because I just got it. But the Leatherman has the belt clip built in, which is kind of nice. And I can't remember if it came with a pouch, but I don't really use a pouch anyway. I put it in my backpack. But this probably has, I imagine the cutaways are to help with the weight. It looks like it has a locking mechanism here, spring-loaded locking. So, but these are nice. Like you can actually get a grip with these. I'm going to compare the pliers too. This is the Leatherman Wingman. This is the Gerber multi-tool, and the Gerber is certainly more sleek. We can go side by side too. Fairly similar. like very similar, although you can maybe see the Leatherman has a little gap there, and the Gerber is very tight on the wire stripping cutter. So I haven't actually tried, like, since I just got it, gripping anything with those, or but we'll go into the other rest of the tools. Um, they feel very solid. I would have to try some screws to gauge what the metals are like. Is this the scissor? This is an interesting. I never really know what the eye clip is for. I guess it's for like twisting wire and stuff, but screwdrivers and things. So that's the scissor. Okay, it loads like that, and then it's a tiny scissor. Oh, and it's very easy to use. Oh my goodness, because you're gripping on the whole thing, so it's not slipping around. That is really, really nice. They're very tiny. We can compare to the Leatherman scissor is where on this knife somewhere. Very exciting, I'm sure. Watching me fumble with this. That's too bad. I don't know where that is on here. I can usually... Oh, I think it's tucked in there. Yeah, this Leatherman. Usually the Leatherman products are good. That's why I got it. But I think they're kind of riding on their name brand, and they sort of let some things slip a little bit. Oh, okay. So this actually, it's all sort of messed up. It sort of overstayed its welcome or something. There we go. Okay, Leatherman. Nice try there. So that sticks out on the edge, and where the Gerber one you can even do with your finger or your thumb. The Leatherman is not really, the spring loading part is maybe challenged, we'll say. So that's exciting for twice the price. And then I guess you can sort of do this with your, you need like a wingman to actually operate the scissor. So, but it is larger, if that's important. Just by a, I don't know how much larger. It's semi-significant perhaps, unless you can't actually use them because it's difficult. So this has another hook on there. This is the Gerber. So there's that about the scissors. Oh, I see, and they're locked. So then you use the locking bit to get them back into place. And then, okay, so it folds out to be able to go back in there. Well, that's nice. Thank you, Gerber. Did I do that right? Is that how it's supposed to go? I'm not sure. Being my first, and I didn't read the instructions. Yeah, it seems as if you fold the scissor over and then fold it down. Interessante. So that's kind of that, screwdrivers and things. The other handle has, what does it have? A blade. Ooh, sharp. Ooh, pointy. What else we got here? We got, ooh, that's a really solid screwdriver. I could see that being, with this amount of grip that you'd have on that, being able to turn that pretty well. That's great. Ooh, a little saw. Oh, very pokey, very pokey. What else we got in there? More screwdrivers. Put the saw away, put the screwdriver away. I'm a little surprised. Oh, they do lock. Okay. So that's the armor, like pushing on it to test the lock. The Phillips head. Where's the camera? The Phillips head. So then it's locked. So then to unlock is the unlock spring load mechanism. Very nice, very nice. And I believe that's all for this multi-tool. I thought I saw, no, I guess not. That was the screwdrivers. Okay. Excellent. Very nice. Gerber Suspension is my recommendation if you're going to choose the overpriced Leatherman of lower quality or the half-priced Gerber at 30 something dollars. I would go with the Gerber unless you have a like pocket limitation. Well, then you can put it on your belt loop. But the I don't know, this Leatherman has some issues, we'll say, that I don't really recommend. Oh, it does lock too. It has the, I'm trying to put the scissors away on the Leatherman, and it has the, you have to push in the little bit to put it away. But the Gerber has the spring-loaded one, which is nice because you can do it from the outside with the hand that you're already holding. Yeah, and yeah, it's just funky, like Leatherman. I don't know, 60 something dollars and just kind of funky and clunky. So yeah, the winner is the Gerber Suspension multi-tool. Recommend, check out the links below. You can go direct to the product. You can see all 2,500 reviews. That's exciting. Alright, enjoy, and we'll be back with more Amazon Prime product reviews in the future. Thank you.